Here's a quick look at how you can add the brand new widgets to your iPad. From the first page of apps on your home screen, you want to tap and hold to enter jiggle mode. When you're here, you can edit your apps, and in the top left corner, there's a plus button. Tap onto here, and you can access the brand new Widget Browser. On here, you'll find all the apps that you've got installed which support the new widgets, and if you tap onto one of them, you can see the different widget options available. They come in different sizes, and you can choose the one that fits what you need. These widgets are more or less exactly the same as on your iPhone running iOS 14. The only difference here is that you can't drag them out of this sidebar. They have to stay in that particular place. They can't go amongst your icons. I wasn't keen on that at first, but actually it keeps it nicely organised and you know where they are all the time. I think I'll add my calendar appointments first, and then I might add a couple of widgets for my batteries as well to keep track of my Apple Pencil and AirPods, and I'll put a music on there as well so I can quickly jump into my music library. You'll notice that those widgets fill up that top greyed out box area. These are your favourite widgets which will be on the screen all the time when you're on your iPad home screen. You aren't just limited to that small space, however. You can add as many widgets as you like. To do this, press the plus button again, and then tap and hold to drag your widget below that grey box. Wait a moment, release, and it will slot into place underneath. I'll add a Files widget on there so I can see all of my recent files, and I could add anything I like there. As more apps come out, more widgets will be available as well. You can see that my old style widgets are still at the bottom, so while you're waiting for new widgets to come out, you can still have them if you want to. And the other great thing with new widgets is you can customize them to a certain extent. For example, on my reminders list, I actually want to see all my YouTube video ideas. So if I tap and hold on there, I can press Edit Widget, and this one will let me choose which reminder list I show. Different widgets have different options, which means different possibilities for you and your iPad. Hey, thanks for watching that video. Now, if you enjoyed that and you want to find some more quick tips for your iPad or to use in your classroom, do me a favour and press the subscribe button down below. That will really help me out and it will help you keep up to date with all the latest tips and tricks on my YouTube channel.